Hello, hope everyone is doing fine. In this video, we'll be looking at the steps to run any Java application inside the Docker. So let's get started straight away. First of all, we will be creating a Java file. We can simply create a Java file named HelloWorld.java. Let's open this newly created Java file in the notepad. It has opened the file for me in the notepad. I've already written some code and I will be simply pasting it here. So this basically just defines a class named HelloWorld and then prints HelloWorld onto the screen. Next, let's compile this Java file. We can do it using the javac command. To verify, we can simply verify that the .class file is created. Now let's create the Docker file. Dockerfile is the main file which tells what our Docker image will be doing. I've created the Docker file. Now let's open the Docker file using Notepad. I've copied some of the instructions already to save some time. I have pasted it here. Now let's look at these instructions one by one. The first statement will tell the Docker image to use the latest JDK version that's available. Next, it's defining the current working directory. Next step, it is copying the generated HelloWorld.class file into the -app directory. And at the last, it will be running that HelloWorld.class file using the Java application. Now we have created the Docker file as well as the Java file. Now let's create a Docker image with the help of this. We can create Docker image using docker build command. Let's give any name. Let's say Docker Java image. And we can give the current directory as it contains Dockerfile. We can simply run this and you will see that it has started creating the Docker image for us. We can use Docker images commands to verify our newly created image. This is the one, that Docker Java image we have just created. Now let's run to see if it outputs what exactly we want. Docker run, name of the image Docker Java dash image. You can see that it has simply printed the hello world onto the screen, and we have successfully run the Java application inside the Docker. We can import and export this created Docker images as well, so that our collaborators can use it on their end as well, which basically is the main purpose of the Docker image, that you can build it somewhere and ship it to the anywhere as well. I will be explaining the steps to import and export Docker image in some other video. For this video, this is it. I will be sharing the steps in the description of the videos as well, so that you can simply copy and try it on your end as well. Thanks everyone. Bye.